friends, and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain fresh patch reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and freshpatch.com is an online store based in United States that sells grass training pads for pets. So you can take a look at the homepage of this website, and here you will get the featured collections of grass training pads. Now let's talk about the other information. So guys, I'm not able to view the payment information here, but yes, talking about the shipping policy. So this is the FAQ of shipping policy, and here you can see California and West Coast orders generally take 1 to 2 business days to arrive, and East Coast orders can take 3 to 5 business days. And guys, orders placed before 2:30 p.m. will ship the same day. So rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now guys, without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So yes, talking about the first factor guys, it is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign. And coming to the domain information guys, this domain name was created on 7th of April 2010, and it is 10 years, 5 months, 14 days old website, which shows that the website is a legit website. Now let's take a look at the About Us section to know more about this website. So let's check out the About Us section. So guys, in this option you will find About Us section, and here you will find the entire information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So again, this is a good sign and shows that the website is a legit website. Now guys, let's take a look at the contact us information. So there is no particular contact us page, but yes, when you click FAQ section, sorry, here is the contact option. So yes, here you can find they have provided their contact address, which is official company's address, and contact number as well. You can also send a message here. Now guys, let's talk about the social media presence. So you can take a look. The site has social media presence on Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram. This site has a strong social media existence on social media platforms. So again, this is a good sign. And guys, talking about the return policy, let's take a look at the return policy. So there is no return and refund policy section, but yes, when you will check out the FAQ section, you'll find some information related to cancellation of products and etc. So yes guys, here you can read a question, what is the cancellation policy? So you can cancel your service anytime by contacting the company by given phone number or email address, which is service@freshpatch.com. Guys, please do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. It will also give benefit to other customers. Now guys, talking about the customer reviews, in the menu option button you will find a category which is reviews, and you will find the authentic and genuine reviews about this website. You can read these reviews for your knowledge. And apart from that, we have found several positive reviews on the internet as well. So guys, in the final conclusion, I would say freshpatch.com store appears to be a legit store. You can order from this website without any worry. And yes, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching the video guys. Have a good day.